Spider-Man Customs.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a quick video on how while you're shopping you can support one of your favorite nonprofits. Mine's One More Wave. So we're going to go ahead into the Amazon app and we're going to switch it over and activate the smile feature, and then from there you're going to go down and you're going to click on or you could type in the charity of your choice. So I picked One More Wave Surf Corp, and every purchase I make from here on out, whether it's during the holiday season or during my regular year when I'm buying essentials, half a percentage of my purchase is gonna fundraise and go straight to that nonprofit, and it doesn't cost me anything extra. So there's no extra add-on fees. You just do your regular shopping business, and Amazon's automatically gonna write them a check, help them out. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope this was easy and informative, and now you can help fundraise for your favorite charity while you shop on Amazon.
Spider-Man Customs.